Hi students! Today we will learn the long and short vowel sounds of O. O, short vowel sounds. The short vowel sound of O is O, like in the word ostrich. Socks. O, ox. Frog. Rock. Mop. Rod. Dog. The long vowel sound of O. The long vowel sound of O is O, like in the word oatmeal. Note. Boat. Bone. Hole. Home. Foam. Dome. Thank you. Practice all of these words by saying them aloud yourself. First, watch the video once, listen to the words how I say them, and then follow it. Play the video again and say all the words with me aloud. Thank you, students. If you have any doubts, WhatsApp me.